Hi, I'm Saddam Hussein. I will show you how to learn Excel in easiest way. This is a simple Excel form and that's a table format. If you are in home tab there is a this is the font selection box. You can easily change font selection for selecting this box, and if you want to any letter italic bold you can do this way, and this is a font number largest and lowest smallest. If you want you can do in this option, and that is the alignment, top alignment, middle alignment option. If you want copy some number, suppose in this number you want to serial this number 1 to 9, easily you can write 1 2, select in this two box, and when your cursor is black in this area your cursor is white, and when your cursor is in corner it was look like black, and hold your cursor and drag in down. That is the easily you can serial a number as you need. If you wanted to increase your column or row, easily in left corner, go to left corner, this cursor color was changed, then you right click on your mouse button and click insert. That's the new box is open. If you want to here need a new column in top, and when your cursor color is black, then right click and insert. If you delete this, right, same process, go to on top on your box where you want to delete it, right click and delete it, right click and delete. If you want this is your headline in middle, just click and drag, select your box where are you want to middling this, and click here merge and center. This automatically go to merge and it's go to middle. If you want this three box you want to merge, same process, and this three box you want to merge, same process. If you want this letter or this statement is go to left, just click here, click here. If you want to top on this, click here, and you need more top and click here. If you want to date on top corner, just center and match and select there, this gone to the corner. If you want to total all this number of columns, you want to total result here, just click here and click auto sum. It's automatically selecting this row to this row. If you want to this row, just go to the corner of the cursor color was changed on black, and drag and select this box and enter. It's automatically total in sum. You want to this column want to get total, click here, and if you want click here, and if you want to manually select, just click here and drag top to right where you want to selecting and enter. If you the same process in this total box, you can easily one do this. Just click where your formula is right, and when your cursor color was black, that's like, and drag and turn on, the same result was all total are here. If you want this this total number of box is going to total in here result, just click auto sum, is automatically selecting that's the total. If you want to same process, just click on this box and click right corner of the box. When your cursor color was changed, drag and drop in there. The total box is, the total number is show here. If you want change the color of this headline, just click here, this color was changed. If you want change background color, you can use this option. Just easily change your background color. Now you can easily do that things when I where I was show. If you want to print this page, just click print preview. If your print preview is not show, click here and show print preview, print and preview here. Just click here, it will show the print preview was show here. If you control and roll down your cursor, it easily show in zoom. If you want one ghor remarks ghor is not show, if you want, if you need remarks ghor to print whole box, whole sheet, you can easily do that. In their page setup menu, there is a 3 page option: first normal, page layout, and page preview. If you click page layout, it was changed. You can easily, you can go view and turn on the ruler if your ruler is not show. In ruler, the margin was 0. You can easily margin your page manually from there. You can this box is not show in this page, so you want to print this page in one box, so you can easily do that. Just small your any one box, it's easily. Now you can check that's easily the whole box was show, and the whole page is showing how to printing. That's, if you want to landscape or thumb landscape of properties, is the properties are show here, and the page was so you want to need whole page in properties, is it goes to one page and show that the page was up and down, and that's so very easily. Now you can go normal page preview, you can easily go there. If you can still in this box, you can easily click on here in home tab, go to page layout, view, and freeze and path. Easily this box was still here, and this left and right box is also still here. It's when your sheet was so big, it's a very useful option. If you want to unfreeze it, just click, the page was still in normal view. Now you can do everything in Excel. Now you want to filter option, just click on left corner on your cursor and click filter option. Is filter option is on. Now you want to see just zero figures, just click on zero figure and OK. The zero figure was show on this tab. Now you go to select all and show all of figures. You want to delete this box, just click here and right button and delete. That's all. Is easiest simple Excel learn. If you want learn more, please subscribe my channel and comment on inbox. Thank you.